Thank you, Jeff. A new study reveals the diets of people around the world are getting worse instead of better. Researchers looked at the eating habits of almost 90% of the global population between 1990 and 2010. Although people did consume more healthy foods like fish, vegetables, and whole grains, they ate even larger amounts of junk food. People living in high-income countries, older adults, and women were most likely to eat nutritious foods. The U.S. had increases in the amount of healthy and unhealthy foods eaten.